Hello friends, welcome back to my craft room. I hope that this can give you some inspiration and just some ideas of fun projects you can do. All right, well, before we get started, please, if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. I'm just getting my channel started and I want to be able to continue to bring videos to you guys. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. All right, so what we have, this is stretched canvas. So this happens to be Crafter's Square. It's from the Dollar Tree. It is 8 by 10. You can get lots of different sizes at the Dollar Tree. You can get these at Michael's. Please, if you get them at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, use a coupon or get them when they're on sale. They are definitely more expensive there, but they go on sale all the time. You can get these also at Walmart for a good price as well. Now, I will tell you the ones that you get at the Dollar Tree are certainly, they're nice, fun little canvases. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, they're certainly Dollar Tree canvases. You can tell they're actually, quite thin on the side. However, they are made fairly well. All right. So this is going to be really simple. I'm going to use, because I'm making something for my laundry room, I just want it to go, kind of along with it. So this is going to be 2 steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to just kind of paint out my canvas, and then I will let it dry and we'll come back and we'll put a stencil on it. So what I have is, this is Ballet Slipper Pink. It's Waverly brand acrylic paint. And I am actually just going to be going over my canvas. So just so you know, if you see, this is, I do a lot of painting with this. So I use these. This is also another canvas from the dollar store, but I bought this one to actually use to just dump my paint on. And instead of putting it in a bowl, I dump it on there. And when I'm done, I just let it dry. I don't try to clean it or anything of the sort. All right, so I'm just putting some paint through this. Just kind of covering my canvas here. Not any real rhyme or reason to it. And these really are nice little canvases. They cover quite well. So you can see it covers quite well, very easily. So the next thing that I have is, this is alcohol ink, and this is slate. I got this at Michael's. Of course, I always use a coupon. This one happened to be, they were on sale. It was buy one, get one half price. Now this, all I want is, I just want some paint on my alcohol inks. That's what I want. I think I just sprayed it on my face. Anytime I paint, I always have a mess. So I just want this kind of like, kind of spongy on here. And as you can see, as you pat it in, especially once you get some alcohol on it, you start getting rid of those harsh lines. All right, so I have my background. Now I'm going to let this dry, and then we will come. All right, so our canvas is dry. Now we're going to print our picture. So this is what I'm putting on my canvas. I got this from the CRICUT Design Space. So now we know that our canvas is 8 by 11. Now I'm going to unlock this because I actually want this to be a little longer if I can, and still make it look. There we go. That's good. So I'm satisfied with my size. Now I'm going to hit Make It. Replace my other project that I had done previously. Okay, so I need to wash it tonight because it's not very sticky. So I've just been using it so much that I haven't taken the time to wash it. All right, so we're going to be doing this in gold because that's what I want to go along with everything. Now, because this isn't very sticky, I am going to just tape it down. Usually I use painter's tape. However, recently I have had this Scotch tape just sitting on my table. I haven't put it back where it belongs, so I've been using it. I mean, it works fine. Probably not the best thing because honestly, it can pull up your, like on these foils, it'll pull up some of the foil if you're not careful. Painter's tape is very gentle. All right, so I'm just going to hit continue on that. Sorry, sometimes my camera stands goofy. All right, so now I'm gonna print it and weed it, and we'll do that kind of quick, okay? All right, we have our image printed and weeded, and this is how it's gonna go on our picture. So we need, all right, so this transfer tape isn't gonna fit all the way across, but you know, again, if I'm not on video, most of the time I don't even use transfer tape for these bigger things. However, remember also reuse your transfer tape. Your transfer tape is not a one-time use. I use my transfer tape until I cannot possibly use it anymore. So I'm gonna first take off the word laundry. All right. And we're going to put that right up here. Now, I mean, you can always measure this by all means. You know, if you want to make sure it's completely perfect, everybody's a little different. I'm an eyeballer, so on the canvas, it's hard to, you know, get it pressed down super hard before you get the transfer tape off. So just be gentle pulling your transfer tape off. And then you'll go through and lay everything down perfectly after that. I have a little bubble right there. So we'll just sort of pull up and fix it. There we go. All right. Now we'll do our next piece. All right. All right. I know that there are people out there who find doing laundry cathartic. I wish I were one of those people. I am definitely not. For me, this is a true statement. There we go. All right. So listen, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button so I can continue to make videos. This is really fun, and it's just the idea to show you different things that you can do with your Cricut. You know, you can make signs, you can make all kinds of different things. If you like this particular sign, remember I did get the chalk paint from Walmart. I did get the alcohol ink from Michael's. This is Cricut gold vinyl, and the picture, I guess, would you call it picture, lettering, saying, whatever. This is from Cricut Design Space, free with the Cricut Access. But otherwise, I mean, you can make anything that you want as far as a sign goes. This was just to give you an idea about being able to make signs. All right, listen, I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day. Thank you for joining me.